Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering down and removing power sources so nothing shorts while you work. Use a T6 Torx to loosen screws under grip paddles. Set them aside in order to avoid confusion later. Once the back shell is loose, lift gently to expose the internals and ribbon cables. Make sure not to yank connections. Keep microfiber and swabs ready because delicate parts need gentle contact rather than brute force, and compressed air will clear loose debris before touching anything. Once opened, use short bursts of compressed air from about 2-3 inches to remove grit without spinning motors too fast. You should then lightly dampen a cotton swab with 70% isopropyl to clean analog stick bases, trigger rails, and contact pads. The alcohol evaporates fast and reduces residue. Make sure to clean crevices around bumpers and paddles with a soft pick or toothpick wrapped in cloth, and wipe plastic shells with a microfiber cloth to remove oils and fingerprints. You reassemble by carefully reseating ribbon cables and verifying connectors click into place. Replace screws in the order you labeled so alignment stays correct. Before tightening everything, test buttons and sticks. Make sure tactile clicks return and axes move freely. If you still see stick drift, recalibrate the controller in console settings and repeat the stick cleaning step. Persistent drift may require stick replacement. If a trigger sticks, inspect the spring and apply a tiny amount of silicone-based lubricant, then retest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.